Chewelah Airport. Right now they got a jet, an RC jet flying around here. Bunch of cool airplanes and old cars. Gyrocopter. Incredible kind of people that showed up here. There he is, flying around. He's going to come in for a landing. It sounds like a helicopter too. Cool models that we're flying here today. There's my tiki, he's looking up at the sky at those airplanes also.